It's a really funny thing. I wouldn't say I was a particularly vain person. I suppose everybody's a bit vain. I'm 63, and increasingly I noticed every time I was going out, my wife would sort of say to me, you know, something like, have you seen yourself? I said, no, well, you know, what do you mean? So your ball patch. And, you know, I didn't actually know I had a ball patch. And, you know, she'd sort of get hold of me and sort of go like this, you know, cover up your ball patch, cover up your ball patch. You know, if I was going out with her, she'd obviously make a big thing out of it and make me very self-conscious about it. Anyway, I saw, I responded to this, I got this little kind of, you know, social media ad thing that sort of said, you know, you can get your ball patch fixed. And it wasn't a hairdresser, it was actually a dentist, strangely enough. You go into a clinical environment and it's a treatment. You know, they wear sort of gowns and, you know, it sounds a bit strange, but they actually take blood out of your arm and they put it into a machine, and it sort of, I don't know what it does, it kind of separates it or something. And then, it's going to sound awful this, but they sort of inject it into your scalp and it somehow stimulates your scalp or something. And it makes your hair grow, or I don't know, something like that. But it's not like injections, it's sort of like little things going like this on your head. And it works. It's absolutely amazing. It absolutely, totally works. If you look at the before and afters, you know, I had a ball, you know, thing on top of my head, and now I don't. I was really shocked at how much baldness I had at the top, at the crown of my head. It takes about 3 months. It's relatively pain-free. It's completely natural. It doesn't take a lot of time. There are 3 sessions over 3 months, and it is enormously effective. I have no hesitation in recommending it.